studying your last two. I swim med when they turned in. The staring down to mute. And can learn the pole that sunk he died.
One of the most useful tools available to payroll professionals is the CRA Payroll Deductions online calculator. This tool helps practitioners estimate payroll deductions and determine expected net pay before payroll is actually processed. The value of the calculator is simple. It replaces guessing with calculation. Let's look at the workflow shown on the slide. On the left side, we begin with input information. Before any payroll calculation can occur, certain information must be entered into the calculator. This typically includes the gross salary amount, the payroll frequency, the employee's province of employment, and other payroll-related details. These inputs form the foundation of the calculation. The more accurate the information entered, the more useful the estimate will be. Once the information has been entered, the process moves to the center of the slide. This is the CRA online calculator itself. Think of this tool as a payroll calculation engine. The calculator applies payroll formulas automatically. It considers tax rules, CPP contribution requirements, and other payroll deduction calculations. Instead of manually estimating deductions, the calculator performs the calculations using established payroll rules. This helps practitioners obtain consistent and reliable estimates. The calculator essentially answers an important question. If this payroll amount is processed, what will the likely deductions and net pay be? That question is at the heart of effective payroll planning. Now let's look at the results shown on the right side of the slide. After the calculation is complete, the calculator provides an estimated payroll summary. This includes estimated net pay, estimated income tax deductions, CPP contributions, and other payroll-related deductions. Notice that net pay is highlighted. This is often the most important number for planning purposes because it represents the amount the employee is expected to receive after deductions. This allows practitioners and business owners to understand the practical impact of payroll decisions before payroll is run. The results support several important objectives. First, they help with compensation planning. A practitioner can evaluate whether a proposed salary or bonus will produce the desired take-home pay. Second, they help establish realistic expectations. Instead of being surprised by payroll deductions later, clients can see the estimated outcome in advance. Third, they help reduce payroll surprises. Potential issues can be identified before payroll processing occurs. Notice the message highlighted at the bottom of the slide. Estimate payroll outcomes before payroll is processed. That statement captures the primary purpose of the calculator. Professional payroll planning should not rely on assumptions. It should rely on calculations. The calculator provides a way to preview the likely payroll results before any actual payroll transaction takes place. This makes payroll planning more accurate and more predictable. The key lesson from this slide is simple. The CRA Payroll Deductions online calculator is a planning tool. It allows practitioners to convert gross pay into estimated net pay before payroll is processed. By entering payroll information, reviewing estimated deductions, and analyzing expected net pay, professionals can make better compensation decisions and help clients understand the real financial impact of their payroll choices. That is why the calculator has become such an important part of modern payroll planning. This slide walks through the step-by-step process professionals use to estimate net pay with the CRA Payroll Deductions online calculator. One of the biggest advantages of the calculator is that it transforms payroll planning from a guessing exercise into a calculation exercise. Rather than wondering what the payroll results might be, you can estimate them before payroll is ever processed. Let's go through the workflow. The first step is opening the CRA calculator. This is where the process begins. The calculator is designed to help estimate payroll deductions and net pay using current payroll rules. It serves as a planning tool that can be used before compensation decisions are finalized. Once the calculator is open, the second step is entering the gross pay amount. This may be a salary amount, a bonus amount, or another payroll payment. The gross amount entered into the calculator becomes the starting point for all payroll calculations. Remember, gross pay represents earnings before deductions. The third step is selecting the correct province. This is an important part of the process because payroll calculations can vary depending on the province of employment. Different provincial tax rates may apply, which can affect both payroll deductions and the final net pay estimate. Selecting the correct jurisdiction helps improve the accuracy of the calculation. The fourth step is choosing the pay period. Payroll frequency matters because payroll deductions are often calculated based on how often an employee is paid. For example, weekly payroll, bi-weekly payroll, semi-monthly payroll, and monthly payroll can produce different deduction amounts. Selecting the correct pay frequency ensures that the estimate reflects the actual payroll situation. The fifth step is reviewing the calculations. Once the information has been entered, the calculator automatically applies payroll formulas. It estimates income tax deductions, CPP contributions, and other payroll-related amounts based on the information provided. This is where the calculator performs the work that many people would otherwise try to estimate manually. The sixth and final step is reviewing the net pay results. This is often the most valuable part of the entire process. The payroll summary shows the estimated net pay along with the estimated deductions that were used to arrive at that result. At this stage, practitioners can evaluate whether the proposed compensation plan produces the desired outcome. If adjustments are needed, they can be made before payroll is processed. Notice the message highlighted at the bottom of the slide. Use estimated results to support compensation planning. That statement summarizes the purpose of the entire workflow. The goal is not simply to generate numbers. The goal is to use those numbers to make better decisions. When practitioners know the likely net pay outcome in advance, they can set realistic expectations, communicate more effectively with clients, and avoid many common payroll surprises. This is especially important when planning owner-manager compensation or year-end bonus payments. A compensation strategy that looks attractive at the gross pay level may produce a very different result after deductions are applied. The calculator allows those impacts to be evaluated before decisions are finalized. The key lesson from this slide is simple. Follow the process. Enter the payroll information. Select the correct province and pay frequency. Review the calculated deductions. Then analyze the estimated net pay. By following this workflow, payroll planning becomes more accurate, more predictable, and much more professional. This slide compares two very different ways of estimating payroll results. One approach relies on assumptions. The other relies on calculations. The difference may seem small at first, but it can have a significant impact on payroll planning, client expectations, and compensation decisions. Let's begin with the approach shown on the left side of the slide. This is the guessing approach. In this situation, a business owner or practitioner looks at a salary amount and tries to estimate the outcome without performing any formal calculations. The assumption might be something like, I think the employee will receive most of this amount. At first, this may seem reasonable. However, payroll deductions can significantly affect the final result. Income tax, CPP contributions, and other payroll deductions all reduce the amount that eventually reaches the employee. Without proper calculations, it becomes difficult to predict the actual net pay. Notice the problems listed on the left side. Deductions are guessed rather than calculated. Take-home pay is estimated rather than verified. Unexpected payroll results become more likely. Employees may be confused by the amount they receive, and compensation decisions may be based on incomplete information. The biggest issue is uncertainty. Nobody knows exactly what the outcome will be until payroll is processed. That uncertainty creates risk. Now let's look at the professional approach shown on the right side of the slide. Instead of guessing, the practitioner uses the CRA Payroll Deductions online calculator. The process begins with the gross pay amount. That information is entered into the calculator. The calculator then applies payroll formulas and estimates the deductions that will likely apply. The result is an estimated net pay amount. Once the net pay estimate is available, the practitioner can evaluate the outcome before making a final payroll decision. This creates a much stronger planning process. Notice the benefits listed on the right side. Deduction estimates become more accurate. Expected net pay is visible before payroll runs. Compensation planning improves. Expectations become realistic. Payroll surprises are reduced. And communication with clients becomes much easier. At the center of the slide, we see the professional workflow. Gross pay enters the process. The CRA calculator performs the calculations. A net pay estimate is generated, and that estimate supports the final payroll decision. This sequence is important because it demonstrates how professionals move from assumptions to evidence-based planning. The comparison banner at the bottom summarizes the difference perfectly. One approach says, guess the outcome. The other says, calculate the outcome. Professional payroll administration always favors calculation. When practitioners know the likely payroll result in advance, they can make informed recommendations rather than relying on assumptions. This helps clients understand exactly what to expect before payroll is processed. The final message at the bottom of the slide captures the most important lesson. Professional payroll planning relies on calculations, not assumptions. Payroll decisions should be based on facts, estimates, and verified calculations whenever possible. The CRA calculator provides a simple way to estimate deductions and net pay before payroll runs. And by using that information during the planning process, practitioners can improve accuracy, reduce surprises, and make better compensation decisions. The key takeaway is simple. Do not guess what the payroll outcome might be. Calculate it first, then make the payroll decision with confidence.